Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create gallery cards dynamically from your Google Spreadsheets using BCommute.com service. So this gallery that you can see over here is not pre-made, it's dynamic content. As you can see here, this is the whole flow, just 3 nodes, and this little node, the dynamic content, that's the game changer. That's what creates these gallery cards. So all the information is taken from my Google Spreadsheets. As you can see, the title, subtitle is taken like from here. The pictures are taken from these URLs. That's how it is. So let's take a look how to make it. I'm gonna create a flow that will ask my subscribers to choose some food type that they want, and based on their answer my bot will search this spreadsheet and provide the offers as a gallery. The gallery will have the same big square picture. They will have the title and subtitle taken from these columns. It will have the picture and a couple of buttons. One of them will take them back to the choice menu, and another one will take my subscriber to another message in the flow. So let's see how we're gonna make it. As you can see, I have my Google spreadsheet already done here and ready to go. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna search this spreadsheet using the search words from this column. So I will give the offers for my subscribers, like burgers, pizza, salad, soup, meat, and vegetarian food to choose, and then we'll search based on what they choose. My bot will search this column and pick those rows that match these search words. So let's see how to set it up. Over here I create the user input, say make choice. Over here I choose multiple choices, and I want to save the response to the custom field. I name it choice made. Let it be like this. It will be saved to this custom field, and I'm gonna add some quick replies. Burgers, pizza, salad, and let it be vegetarian food. However, this thing, since it has 2 words and it doesn't match my Google Sheets, because as you can see I don't have such words in the column B that I'm gonna search for. I have just a single word vegetarian, so I wanna save this reply as just single word vegetarian. I strongly recommend to use just single word. So if you have 2 words or any other option here in the quick replies, please use this option and save it. I really recommend to use a single word over here as a search word, because just to make sure that it will work properly and that it will find what you need properly. So now these results are I'm gonna add soup also. These results are gonna be saved to this custom field, and after this I'm gonna create a message and go to dynamic content. So this little block will be the gallery cards. We'll show the gallery cards with some buttons, and once my subscriber makes the choice, I want to take them to another message. So let's create another message here. It will be taken to this message, and I want to show them the final price over here. So let's say your final, and I will add the custom field price over here. So to this custom field I will save the values from this column. So when my subscriber makes their choice, let's say they choose this salad one, once they click the button, this content price $2.1190 will be saved to this custom field, and my message will be your final price $11.90. That's how it's gonna be. So that's pretty much it here. And let's see how to set up the dynamic content request. It looks like this. You need the URL, you need maybe the body, request type. So we're gonna use, as I already told, the BCommute.com service. And let's go to the messenger and just talk to the BCommute.chatbot. Let's choose all services over here. Let's choose the dynamic lists and cards. Okay, choose the spreadsheet you want to work with. So this is the spreadsheet I want to work. Here's its name, as you can see. Now choose the sheets. As you can see here, I have like 2 sheets here, menu and sheet 2. There's nothing here, so I have to pick up menu. Okay, confirm. That's correct. And now let's set up. So I want to choose gallery cards. I wanted the picture big, so I'm gonna choose square. Over here there's the list. All those are the column names matching the first row. Over here, as you can see, the column names, all of them are here as a list. So now I have to enter the number of the column that I want to search. So I'm gonna search these spreadsheets using this column, because I'm gonna search for keywords in this column. So it's column B, it's named food type. I see it here, and it has number 2, so I enter number 2. So it will search the second column. So now it asks me to enter the custom field name, so where the search word contains. So my search word, once the subscriber makes their choice, I save this search word, I save them to this custom field. So I just copy this custom field and place it here. So the value from this custom field will be taken and used to search column number 2 right here. Once it's found, the row will be picked up. Okay, I don't need any more search filters, but you can set up to 3 search filters if you want. Now let's see the settings of the gallery cards. Here again we can see the list of our column names. So I want to use as title. For title, I'm gonna use the first column, so the values from the first column, the food name will be taken as a title. Okay, for subtitle, I wanna use the column named description. As you can see, it's number 4, so the values from there will be taken and used as subtitle. The picture, I have picture URL, so here in this column, and as you can see, it's number 5. Element URL or card URL, it's something like this. All the settings are the same as those in Manychat, but I don't need it, so I want to skip it. I input 0. You can skip only element, URL, and subtitle. Titles and pictures are required. Those are a must. So let's set up the button. As I told you already, I want to have 2 buttons. So you have 5 button types: URL button, go to message, go to flow, call button, share button. All those are the same that you have on Manychat. URL is taking you to another website, go to flow to another flow, call, share button, and go to message will take you to another message within the same flow. So let's enter the caption for my button. Let's say it will be choose this, enter. Okay, next. So now I have to enter the name of the blog, or the name of the node where my subscriber will be taken upon the button click. So when they click the button, I want them to be taken to this message. And as you can see, this message name is sent message number 2. So let's change it. I'll change it to response message. Try to use one word. It will be better for you in order to make it work properly and to make sure that it will work. And this name has to be unique. So let's say if you copy it, another node will have the same name, so it won't work. So if you want to take your subscriber to another message, just name it and make sure this name is unique. So I'll copy it. I'll just copy it and then go back to my messenger and paste it here. Okay, everything's fine. Next. Okay, let's set up this saving custom field. When my subscriber clicks the button and makes their choice, I want to catch the value and save that. As I already explained, I want to save that to the custom field named price. So over here, okay, I click yes, let's set up. So it asks me for this custom field name, so I enter this custom field name, price. It's right here, the custom field that where I wanna save the value. And it asks me which value I want to save to this custom field. As I already explained earlier, I want to save the value from column named price. So it's 1, 2, 3, the column number 3. And okay, everything's fine. Next. Okay, I want to add another button to take my subscriber back to choice menu. So it will be another go to message. Caption will be back. And next step. Okay, enter the name of the blog. So I want to take them to this message, to the starting step. So let's say I want to rename it starting step, let's say. Boom, as you can see, it changed here. This name is unique, so I copy it and just enter over here. Boom. Okay, it's set up. Next. I don't need to catch any values over here because I'm going back, so I'm pressing no, I'm good. I don't need any more button. But the same as in Manychat gallery, you can add up to 3 buttons over there. So here are the overview, the summary, telling you which column will be searched and what will be searched, where the search word will be taken, where the title, subtitle, and picture will be taken, which button with which captions, and where those buttons are going, and what will happen upon the button click, if there's anything else, or which value from which column will be saved and where. Or you can check everything here and make changes in case you want to you change the mind or you see that something is wrong. I click next. and over here I received the settings for my dynamic content request. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna copy all this. Let's start with the request body. Copy everything here. Go to your Manychat dynamic content request, click here, go to body tab and paste everything here. If everything is correct, you will see exactly the same. If something is wrong, something is missing, any sign, it will give you the error saying JSON invalid. Pay attention to the request type. There are only 2 of those, and this information is also provided over here. As you can see, it's post, so everything's fine. And copy the request URL. Keep in mind that this URL is unique for you and will work for you, and this request body is unique for you, containing some kind of your unique information. So copy the request URL over here, and what you have to do, you have to add the user ID to the end of the URL. Just user ID, so this is the ID of the current user who's facing your chatbot. This will make sure that it will work for any of your subscribers. And click save, that's it. So that's pretty much it. You have everything set up. So we can publish, and let's click preview. Okay, I already have the message here. So as you can see, make choice and some offers. So let's click sell it, let's say. And boom, here we are, all the pictures, all the buttons. So let me choose something like this, salad number 2, let's say. So here it is, your final price, $10.99. As you can see, it's exactly what it said here. Let me click back. Boom, I'm back to menu choice, and let's choose something different. Let's say burgers. Here we are, here are the burgers, back. Let's choose, let's say pizza. So as you can see, everything works, and everything works within just these 3 flows. And all the information is taken from here. You can see it easily. Here's my pizza. As you can see, exactly how we set it up. The titles are taken from the column A, subtitle from column D, and on the button click, when you click the button, when you make your choice, it gets the information from column C and gives it here. So that was pretty much it. Nothing else. That's how it works, and that's how you can start forming your gallery cards or lists dynamically out of your Google Sheets easily, and you can start, and anybody can do it pretty easy and fast. Thank you guys for watching. Use dynamic content and make your life easier.